My name is Daniel Grantham. I've been with the ROE Dental Laboratory for almost 18 years. I've been running the full arch department for the past 2 years, and we have something very exciting to present to you. We wanted to see how far we could push the already great product that we're doing and to almost exaggerate it, to really make a line that's so special that it takes the work that's already good and just seeing how far we can take it. This boutique line, it is where fine art meets dentistry. That's the emphasis on it. It's a collaboration with the doctor and the patient. We have a lot of materials that we use that are very much like an oil base. You can control it, you can see it. It's a big step away from just traditional ceramic building, where you kind of knew it was going to look like. You're almost building in and you're layering these porcelains on. You really can't see what it's going to look like until it's done. That's not the case with the product that we use. So we have many of the different points of customization for the full arch boutique line. So with the teeth, we can do a very bright shade, we can do a very dark shade. We can exaggerate the contours of the tooth, we can exaggerate the incisal edge, the translucency of it, and we can do the exact same thing with the tissue. What does that patient's tissue look like? Is it a little bit more splotchy? Is it very dark? Is it very light? We can add buccal frenums that are very nice and exaggerated, rugae on the lingual of the actual restoration itself. We really represent a lot of these choices in the samples that we made and the photos that were given, but it really comes down to almost like the customization of it. If you were to order a Mini Cooper, which my wife has, you go through their book, you can add stripes, you can add whatever you want to it, and that's really what we're trying to do with the boutique line, is letting the doctor and the patient really have a hand in what they're doing. It's a piece of artwork when we're finished working on it, and just doing artwork myself, a lot of the people that buy art, they want the story behind it. They want to know who the artist is. They just don't want the painting, they want to meet you. They want to know what you were thinking behind it. They want to, if you're doing a commission piece for them, it's very satisfying knowing that they picked out something, that it was their idea, they collaborated with the artist in it, and that's what we're doing with the boutique line. The boutique line is coming out today. It's been a lot of hard work. A lot of really talented technicians and people have come together, really pushed the envelope to see what we can do. We're going to be working with doctors and patients in a way that a lot of labs don't. It's going to be very customized. It's going to be a collaboration, and we're looking forward to exceeding your expectations.